Every second, someone somewhere is getting scammed online, maybe through a fake message, a phishing email, or even a cloned website. But what if I told you that most scams can be avoided if you just know a few smart tricks? So today, let's talk about how you can stay safe from online scams before it's too late. Online scams are traps set by cybercriminals to steal your personal data, money, or even your identity. They can come in many forms, like fake job offers, suspicious emails, misleading ads, or messages pretending to be your bank or a delivery company. The scary part is, scammers are getting smarter every day. They use logos, names, and even official-looking websites to make you believe they're real. Let's look at the most common online scams you might come across. Understanding how they operate is your first line of defense. Messages that say things like, "Your account is suspended. Click here to verify." Don't click. These deceptive links take you to fake websites specifically designed to steal your valuable passwords and personal information. Too good to be true offers. Imagine seeing iPhone 15 for 50% off. Yeah, that's almost certainly a scam. Always check the website's URL carefully. Real websites usually end with familiar domains like .com or .pk and always have HTTPS with a secure lock symbol in the address bar, indicating a safe connection. Congratulations, you've won $10,000. Sounds amazing, right? But they'll soon ask for your processing fee or sensitive bank details. That's precisely where you lose your hard-earned money. Fake recruiters often ask for registration fees or extensive personal information before hiring. Remember, a legitimate company will never request payment or excessive data up front. Finally, beware of tech support scams. Pop-ups that say your device is infected and tell you to call now are designed to panic you. These are fake numbers, and they'll just steal your data or demand payment. Spot scams fast. Check the sender's email. Suspicious names like bankofpack-login.net are likely fake. Spelling mistakes are red flags. Real companies use correct grammar in communications. Avoid unknown links. Hover over the link to see where it leads. Check online reviews before purchases. Search company name plus scam on Google. Use official apps, websites for transactions. Type website addresses manually to stay safe. Protect yourself online like a true professional. Use strong, unique passwords. A password manager helps manage them. Turn on two-step verification. Scammers need a special code. Keep devices, apps updated. Updates patch security holes. Don't share personal info online. Keep addresses private for safety. Install trusted antivirus apps. They block malicious sites, online threats. Stay alert. Informed to protect your digital life from scams. Stay vigilant and informed to protect your digital life from scams.
If you ever fall victim to an online scam, don't panic, but act quickly to mitigate the damage. First, immediately change all your passwords to prevent further unauthorized access. If money was involved, contact your bank or financial institution right away to freeze the transaction or recover funds. Reporting the scam is vital. In the United States, report to the Federal Trade Commission at ftc.gov. Alternatively, report to the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3.gov, which has reported over $50 billion in losses from 2020 to 2024. In the UK, report to Action Fraud, which reported an annual loss of over £17.5 million to pension fraud last year. For those in Canada, contact the Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre, and in Australia, Report your incident at scamwatch.gov.au. Finally, warn others about the scam to prevent them from falling into the same trap. The internet can be powerful, but it's also full of traps. By staying alert, verifying before trusting, and using smart security habits, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. Stay smart, stay safe, stay Mendit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Mendit Tech for more tech awareness and digital safety guides.